pangmayaman old mga noong unang nakaraang araw. I did scratch her car. I think I did it. But
Good morning, Philippines!
good morning, everything. Maaga po ako nagising, 5 o'clock. Good morning. Tulog pa si Mister. 5 o'clock. Well, actually 4. And then, bumangon ako 5 kasi kalabasin yung ano. And then, kahapon na vlog, luluto ako ng roast beef. Pagkatapos yan naluto, pinalagay ko lang ni Tami sa refrigerator. And yung hugasan is hindi ko hinugasan. Sobrang sleepy na talaga ako, natutulog na ako. Iniwan ko na yung roast beef si Tami na yung naglagay sa refrigerator. So ngayon, ilagay ko na itong mga plato muna and then hugas. Kasi kailangan kong mag-ano ng pagkain ng alaga ko. Gamitin ko yung sink, hindi ko magamit. So ngayon guys, ano po? Kasi yung pagkain namin kasi sa bahay. Hi guys! So ngayon, anuhin natin, kumakain kami ng breakfast tapos na lang kami ni Tami, nag-croissant kaming dalawa. So let's open this package na natanggap ko kahapon. Ito yung in-order ko sa Amazon para sa GoPro kapag mag-grocery ako, ganon. Kasi nakakahiya hindi nakakahiya din, nahihiya ako mag-vlog sa public. And also, para pag-grocery, hindi na ako mag-ganon-ganon pa. And then, kuha ng mga gamit. Andun na kayo sa cart, diba? So, ano lang naman ito, guys. Pang-hold lang ng GoPro ko. Ang laki ng box. Tignan nyo. Ang laki ng pinadalhan. And then, ito lang yung inano. Jubi ha, guys. Jubi Gorilla Pod. There is an attachment for GoPro. Meron naman ako mga attachment. Ang dami kong attachment sa GoPro, guys. This is the good thing about the Gorilla, guys. Gorilla. The Jubi Gorilla. Kasi, maano talaga siya. Sobrang strong. Here's the, attachment. It's so strong. Look at this, guys. Akala ko, sobrang liit. May maliit version pa pala. Kasi nakakuha ako ng maliit version. Nasira siya. Yung maliit. And I don't know where I put it, honestly. And that one is hindi siya for tripod. For GoPro. Yun siya is for camera talaga siya. So, hindi ko siya magagamit sa GoPro. Kung magagamit ko yun sa GoPro, hindi na ako bumili nito. Oops. So, ang laki niya, diba? Sobrang light lang siya, guys. So, kahit saan mo siya ilagay, okay talaga lang. So, ito yung mga nadiskubrihan ko kahapon doon sa Bismil. Nag-ano pala siya, bumibili siya, may mga tag pa, oh. May binili siya para sa kanya, 2. And then, yung 3, para sa akin. Parang plano ata niyang may mga tag pa, oh. May mga presyo pa. Hala, ang mahal naman ito. May mga pangalan pa. Ay, parang binili niya ito para sa pamangkin niya. Yun. Fox 4. Hala. Magkano to? 80 bucks? No, 70.50. Look. 79.50. Ang mahal naman ito. Han? I want you to come here. You bought this or somebody bought it? I think you did. This is gift. But this is...
They were all gifts.
But they're all expensive.
They were all gifts.
This is for me?
Yeah, hon. They would never give it as gifts, so yes.
It's been forever. This is like when I was small.
I had 2 things here, too.
It's right here. I wanna wash it. And they're all expensive. Why it says Steven? Maybe you give it for
Well,
Steve?
because that was a gift for Stephen, and I want to give him something different instead.
The thing I like here is this brown thing.
Yeah, it's nice and soft, right?
So,
I wish it was a guy's.
this like, oh my god, it's so nice.
It's like,
yeah.
ooh.
It's like suede, oh.
I know, I like it. Are you checking these labels? Make sure these are machine wash?
Yes, hon. I have like this.
Yeah, machine wash.
Look. So this is when I was small. And there's no price now. Where's the price?
This should still fit you.
Allah, it won't fit.
Are you kidding?
It's fit, but you don't need another one. But this is really thick.
That's really nice.
I like it's brown. Yun guys, laba-laba dami, laba-labango. Maligo na ako guys kasi aalis na kami very soon. Hala. Alam nyo ba guys kung asaan ko to nakita itong mga damit sa basement? Diba may laundry area doon na lilinis ko kahapon? And then may bin doon. May bin. Yung bin na yun, ilagay ko doon para lagyan ng laundry. Ngayon, no, hindi ko namalayan ko, pero parang ini-ignore ko ba for a long time na nakatira ako doon. Marami siya nilagay ng mga bag, mga ganon. Akala ko mga gamit lang ng mga junk. Pag halangkat ko kahapon, nakita ko ito. Sabi ko, patay, mga brand new pa, ang mamahal. I think sa akin ito ba? Kasi yung mga damit, mga size akin. Ako lang kasi yung sobrang small doon. As in size 0. Ay, at saka tinago. Ganyan yan siya guys, itago. Hindi makalimutan. Ganyan man yan kapag maglago ka ng gamit, makalimutan mo, diba? Hi guys! So tapos na po tayong naligo. And it's already 10:30. Hindi pa kami nakaalis. And ito, hindi ko nilabhan. Sinuot ko to the other, I don't know when. Sabi ko, hindi ko labhan kasi hindi ko naman siya sinuot. Yung sobrang dumi talaga. So ngayon, sabi ko, suotin natin kasi pagpunta doon, madumi lang naman yung mga gagawin namin, maghakot ng basura, at sobrang dusty ng bahay. Ito yung lakra ng linisin ko lang. Ito yung lakra dito ng sapatos ko, ginanon ko na paulit-ulit. Hindi nyo makikita. Yan, lakrang-lakra talaga. Kabalbalan ko. Sa galit ko talaga. Buti na lang hindi nasira yung wall. Nawala na guys. Sa galit ko talaga, inano ko, sabi ko, Alimak, ha? Wala akong mapaglagyan sa galit, ha? Hala, ano yan? Lamok na malaki. Ano kami?
Well, our estimates now are that about 15 million people have been vaccinated, which is...
Ito yung problema guys, na hindi ko nagustuhan ito siya. Kasi every time na
at this instant. Now that said, 400,000 people
hihinga ako, hihigupin niya yung at saka nahirapan ako.
The federal government issued
Can you load the volume?
recognizing.
Oh my God! That's what we heard.
Maybe.
Oh my God, stop here. Tommy is driving and there is something on the roof.
Okay, let's find out.
Careful.
I remember putting something on there.
Careful when you go out.
Olives.
Olives? This is seriously? What else? wait, open this. Maybe there's something more.
No, that was all. I only put the one thing on the roof last night.
Guys,
I took it out, but
watch out.
I didn't have enough hands.
Olives!
That's a good thing, because that's glass.
Oh my God, and it hurt people. Halala, I'm so glad that guys stop you. Say something.
Right there.
Maybe that's what we heard. How slow down. That's what may naririn. No, that's not it. That's not it. It's over there. Yeah. Olives. Sa ibabaw ng sasakyan. Oh my God.
And prescription drug coverage, all at no additional cost. The Go Medicare Benefits Help Center is open now at 800-968-4177. Both the call and the consultation are 100% free with
Okay, let's
no witnesses,
see.
no real evidence presented to the American
It's
public.
gone. I
So we
think
can participate
if they
here.
put it already,
and now it's
that means it's
what's
it's
the
right
deal here,
there.
Nancy Pelosi, are she and Mitch McConnell and Chuck Schumer playing games
nice, oh, look
with what's
at
actually going to happen here?
Well, the question is
Oh,
is this
look
an
at
act
that
of pure
chair.
political?
Ito siya guys. Sayang naman, oy. Oh. Ito, oh. Sayang naman. Lima kabuok. Oh, 6 pala. 6. Iba-iba pala to. This one is kind of going to turn like this. This one is going to turn.
They all turn.
No, the other one doesn't.
They all turn.
Oh, they all
Maybe you need to put a drop of oil on, but yes, they all turn. They're bars.
It's sad. The chair guys, yung yung tinapon. Gusto ko ng 2 and then i-spray ko lang siya. We're getting some Taco Bell guys. We just got here and we're gonna get tacos. My lips is cracking again. So kaya nagdala ako ng Vaseline. I don't really like the Vaseline guys. Vaseline na petroleum jelly. Yung CVS na brand. Gustong gusto ko. Ang tagal ni Tommy guys. Gutom na ako. Kanina pa yun dun. Hi guys. Oh, napagod ako. Ano ng oras? Harvard na books. Kasi ang daming Harvard na books nila. So, itatapon. Tignan ko kung mahal ba siya. Ganun. Magkano? $300. Ang dami pa ng books. Ang daming books. Look, mga ganitong books, oh. Harvard books.
That china in the closet. See if it has the whole complete set or how many sets it is, and just take a couple of pieces off here. Just to show.
The Harvard Classic Sheldon Fiction. I-research ko lang siya guys kasi ang daming books kasi itatapon sana namin yun. And then marami din yung books sa isang bahay din. You know, I decided to bring it home. Totoong ano siya. Totoo siya guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pangit mo. Yung mga totoong ano po siya. Yung ang problema nito, nakakatakot na siyang suotin. Mga ganito po siya, oh. Paano po ito isuot? Ganon. Ganon. Totoo po, guys. Ngayon, problema kasi hindi na siya pwedeng isuot kasi titirahin ka talaga. Pangmayaman old, mga noong unang nakaraang araw. Pangmayaman ng mga old style, pero di ba? Totoo po ito guys, look. And meron pa dito din. Yan. Para sa neck. As in guys, 3 sila. Para sa neck. Mga maliliit. Kay biyanan. And ang mahal-mahal nito. And then meron pa dito, oh. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Sabi pa ng kapatid ni Tami, ibigay daw sa alak. Hasin, totoo talaga siya guys. Ang mahal nito. Matagal na to, kaibiyanan to. And sabi pa niya, ibigay ko raw sa ano, sa manugang niya. Sa manugang ba? Yung asawa ng anak niya. Naisip ko. Dalhin ko sa bahay. Naglilinis lang ako dito. Yung bed. At ganun pa rin. Pagdating nito sa bahay, ayaw ko siyang ibigay sa ano. Ayaw ko siyang ipabigay sa ibang tao. Sinabihan ko siya na kung gusto mo, kunin mo. Kasi hindi ko naman din masusuot. Pero kung ibigay sa babae na yun, ayaw namin ni Tami.
I think no one could lift.
Okay, it was $10 per 100 pounds. That thing probably weighed 1,000 friggin' pounds.
I know. But even the guy that was taking the scrap metal for free couldn't take it.
And he wanted to take it to get $100.
Okay. We have to shut. I-off ko lang itong light. Ang daming papel guys. Grabe. Yung mga papeles. Grabe. Grabe. Oh, this one. I'm going to bring this home. And Tammy's bedroom. There's still a lot need to be clean up here. Kay Katami ito. Binilyan niya ito long time ago. At saka may sign pa dito. And meron pa lang mga magagandang frame na pwedeng mabinta at ang mahal. Let's put this in the car. Okay.
Still another box of freaking paper.
Okay. There's more box, paper. You have more boxes?
Oh my god. No, I don't.
Han, this will fit in the car?
Yeah. That was
We're
familiar.
just gonna be careful.
Where was that hanging?
That's
My
right.
room.
In your room?
I bought that on the street in the Bronx, like
Yeah,
100 years ago.
Where did I see that? That was hanging in your room when we were upstairs?
Yeah. You're not giving it to your kids.
No.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna ask the guy, so what do you think this is worth?
You should. Yeah. Do it at the end.
Is that one of those?
Is that a project from the school?
No. It's
no,
a
I
net.
used to like crafts, so for my birthday, they'd buy me a bunch of craft kits.
Really? Okay, I'll put this in the car. On. Okay.
What?
I'll put this in there.
Why don't you go get those collars you want them?
Huh?
Those fur things that you want. We'll get them next time.
No. Oh my god.
Those fucking glasses aren't
These
lovely.
glasses, and this is the expensive glasses.
Yeah, not after you've had them for a few days.
Crazy shit.
Then they ain't worth the shit.
Yeah, we're leaving, guys, and the car is full. Tommy bring the freaking oldest TV in the world. Bye!
Bye!
Okay guys, alis na kami. So, yung sasakyan ng kapatid ni Tommy, puno.
Captain Tommy?
Tommy's, I said, your siblings.
Ground control to Major Tom.
Careful.
Major, Captain, what's the difference?
Your sister's car is full of
Crap.
crap too. Hopefully that
There's
TV.
There's 2 racks in there,
Yeah.
in their car.
So
Plus a
there-
table saw
Yeah.
and a couple of bins. That's for us. And then what they took for them.
So they're coming tomorrow to the house.
Not tomorrow, Thursday. Oh, they're coming to our house.
Yeah, to drop that thing, hon.
Yeah.
So, yun. May pulis sa ilalim guhan eh. Sa ilalim ng tulay. Nakata, pulis.
Sure, I can go through. Pull somebody over with you. Probably for running that stop sign. If I had
Yeah.
to guess. He was probably sitting right in that corner, getting right out for it.
Yeah. I really like to stay in this apartment. Oh, this is a really nice apartment, guys. Over there. And this one too. And this is a nice neighborhood. This area here, close to mom's house, and that area is a nice neighborhood. I like it. You just walk and you can buy pizza and you can do grocery, and that's where I work. It's a lot of Mexican. I remember, guys, when I work over there in the grocery, they talk to me in Mexican.
Now watch, guys. Pay attention.
What? What is the pay attention for?
What the fuck?
Hello, what is that?
Transmission slipped.
Huh?
Transmission slipped.
Thing. This one works for cover up my nose.
Is it yours?
Stop.
I lost it.
I feel bad, guys, because I scratched my sister-in-law's car. I did scratch her car. I think I did it, but I think I just poke.
The wood should not have done it unless it was a nail.
Yeah, it's just a wood, and I kind of feel bad because I see a line, white line, and I kind of like, oh my god, and then Tommy. But I think I didn't do that because all I know is like kind of poke. It's not like sliding. You can hear it, right?
Not here, but you would feel it.
Yeah, I can feel if I really did scratch that line. But I think somebody did. That's Angelo. To you. So yun, nagmask na ako kasi alam niyo naman si Tommy na naggarilyo na siya. So yun, cover up my nose that I can breathe. Traffic
Unchecked,
na
it will
naman, guys.
inevitably lead to more awful things. Every action provokes
Traffic na naman tayo.
nature. Abraham Lincoln understood punish thugs and vandals.
You know,
It's not a
accident.
small thing.
So what is this traffic
Citizens,
for?
Lincoln said,
Looks like he pulled
see their
somebody over.
property
Oh,
destroyed,
yeah.
their families insulted,
Break
their
him.
lives endangered,
Oh,
the
seriously?
person's injured.
Wala, that
And
guy.
seeing nothing but prospect
That guy is
for
fighting
those
with the
who change
cops.
for the better. We become tired of and
Hi guys, so ngayon guys, andito kami sa gasoline station. Kumuha si Tami ng gas. And then pagkatapos niyan, bibili sana siya ng loto, pero yung lottery ticket nila na thing is closed daw. So yun, kailangan ni Tami, gusto talaga niyang bumili ng loto ngayon kasi yung loto is sobrang taas ng nasa 800 plus million. Na kung sino yung manalo, sana manalo po tayo. Okay? Sana manalo tayo ng loto. Sus, kung manalo ako ng loto guys, bigyan ko kayong magko-comment. Parang ang dami no, 80,000 people mag-comment. Well, actually, hindi naman lahat nanonood. Pero, oh my God, everything is like, what happened?
Bottles down.
Oh, I think people are buying like crazy. No more numbers for them. Hello, we cannot see the people in the back, ha? Luto is down for some reason. This is the first time, Han?
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen it happen.
You guys, I will give you a lot of money. Bigyan ko kayo ng a lot. The people who comment, it was a surprise thing pamigay. Ay, nako. I-pray na lang nyo guys na mananalo tayo guys. Hindi naman tayo nagkukuha ng ticket kasi wala na shutdown yung lottery. Nag-shutdown lahat ng lottery ticketan. Nag-shutdown. Ay, naku, talagang buhay na daw. The crazy animals guys. Look. Hi guys, natanggap na namin yung card ng health insurance. Thank God, meron na akong insurance. Meron na din siya sabing insurance. But this insurance is only good for till December. Start next month, February, and then it will end December. And hopefully, I can afford my own insurance because kung meron na si Taming trabaho, that means hindi na ako ayaw kong magpaano ng insurance sa kanya kasi ang laking kaltas ng sweldo. Oy, ito yung binigay nila sa akin. Ginamit ko siya guys kasi I have a big wallet. Gusto ko siya gamitin. Pero na-realize ko, itong bag ko is bag for camera. And then ang laki ng hindi ko malagay yung camera. So yun, sabi ko, gamitin nga natin yung bigay ni Lo. Thank you Lo if you're watching. And ilagay natin dito na yung card ko, yung mga ginagamit ko talaga. Is this my driver's license? Oh, ma-expired siya 2008. 2021 tayo ngayon, di ba? 8 years. Ayan. So, thankfully, meron na tayong health insurance. May card na tayo. Yung rice is niloloto ko lang. Masakit yung ilong ko dito. Sobrang dry. Dugo-dugo kaninang umaga. So, ngayon guys, nagtatapon lang si Tami. Tapos na kami kumain. Nagtatapon lang si Tami ng basura. And then, yun, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, subscribe naman kayo. Dito. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys sa panonood. Bye. Good night.